Welcome back, beautiful beings. Today we're going to be making a Halloween cover for my photo album, and we're using a Captain Crunch family size cereal box. And these prints are from Bohemian Crafting. You can go to her website, you can go to her YouTube channel and get digital downloads. Some are free, just buy her a cup of coffee, or you can purchase some. Okay, and I wanted to give you a close-up of her prints. I love them. They go with the fabric I'm going to put on my cover. But right now, what I want to do is glue this down to the inside of the spine. So that's what we're going to do. And I want to make sure it's in the middle, so both of these are covered. Okay, now I want to start at the top and move myself down, and I frayed it. You don't have to fray it if you don't want to, but I frayed the sides. Okay, just frayed these. I don't know why I did top. Habit, I guess. All right, so we're gonna glue this down, and I want to make sure it's in the middle. So I'm gonna hold this, hold that, and I'm using 3-in-1 Advanced Craft Glue. It's for fabric. All right, I got about that much glue down. All right, easy peasy. Okay. And I wanted to show you that I put holes right here, but I'm only using one because it wasn't in good enough. Because I want to make sure I can put ribbon or whatever coming out to tie the front after it's done. So I'm going to punch a hole there, and then come over this side and punch the same hole. It didn't come out all the way. There we go. Okay. And I will be putting an eyelet in there. Never done this before, so I'm doing it for the first time with you, beautiful beings. I'm going to line that up. Punch that. That come out again. Oh yeah, it came out good. Just don't want to tear it. There you go. So we got a hole there. And we got a hole there. Okay, beautiful beings. I'm going to do a side first, but make sure you have enough to fold down on the top and enough to fold over on the sides to cover that missing piece. And then once you get that, make sure you do not move it. Get it right where you want it, so it covers everything. Here, but I'm going to try to get rid of this 2-in-1. So I'm going to do the side first. I'm going to put some down here. I can't see that good, so, and I don't want to mess this up because fabric is kind of pricey. So I'm going to put this down here. Okay, I'm going to fold this over like so. Tight as I can, all the way down. This camera works for me. Like the bend well. Alright, I got that glued down. Now, I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna pull it just a little bit. I probably should put some on the side, but I'm gonna sew it so it don't really matter. If you're not gonna sew yours, I suggest gluing on this side, okay? But I'm gonna sew mine, so it doesn't matter to me. I'm not gonna waste my glue when I'm gonna sew it, okay? So I make sure this is all lined up nice. Glued it. And hopefully the glue, yeah, it's working with me. This glue comes out in gobs. Comes out in gobs sometimes. I'm just going all the way down and all the way back up. Right. I'm gonna pull just a little bit, fold it over, all the way down. All right, now this part here, we can clip this like that and fold it over, or you can just fold it over like I'm going to, like this, and make sure that is nicely tucked in. Some people like to clip it. I'm just gonna do this and make a little half a triangle, okay? The glue's coming out nicely now. So I shouldn't have any problems. I'm only putting it down here because I don't want to glue down the fray. I want the fray to be loose. I'm going to fold this in like that and flip this up like that. It just gives it a better look. Okay. Over to this corner, same thing. Fold it over, glue it down. Perfect. All right, and this one's gonna have to be upside down because I'm not reaching over like that. I'll be in your way anyway if I do. Do the same thing on this corner. I'm gonna come over here, do the fold. Like that. Wow. I think I need a little bit more glue there. It's goozing out now. All right, let's check. It's upside down. I'm gonna turn it sideways. There. And it's not too loose. See how I tightened it? Because when you bend it, you don't want it to be loose because you'll have, gaps. That's why I made sure it was nice and tight. Okay? On the sides. There you go. And make sure when you do this, everything's going the right way, because you do not want to glue this and then glue these upside down. Just make sure everything's going the right way and it all will be good. Here's our photo cover to our journal, and it's nice and tight, so we're good. Okay? Okay, beautiful beings. Forgot to show you this. Just take your puncher. Remember we punched that before, now we're going to punch it again. And I don't even know if they'll punch it out. If it don't, I'm going to have to get some scissors. looked a little. I think it's gonna work. Should turn her puncher, right? Line it up in the same spot. Good enough. So I just wanted to show you that. That's good enough. And if you got tiny little scissors, just cut that off, okay? Probably don't even need tiny little scissors. Like right here. Okay? That's good enough. Will fit right through there. The eyelid, sorry. Okay? The eyelid should fit right through there. Okay, I got my crocodile, and I got it on this setting, that one, and the biggest one, because there's a small one. We don't want that. That's for smaller ones. So I'm going to put it on this one. Okay. And I have no idea about these. This is 1/8 inch, and this is 3/6. And I think 3/6 is bigger, so we'll just put that up. I have no idea. Okay. And then we want this part going in the top and this one on the bottom where we want it flattened. I'm going to put that on the, like that, and push down, and voila. Okay? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then get a puncher. Punch through that material. Flip it over. Do it again, just in case. See the material coming up? Well, that's good enough. You just cut that off. Okay, and then this one, I'm putting a brown one in. A brown eyelid. And again, that one on top, but that one on the bottom to flatten it. I'm just gonna push. And voila. Okay, I probably got, I'm not sure if they're supposed to flatten out like that, but they work for me and I'm gonna use them. Okay? All right, have a wonderful everything.